All right, so hello. Today we're going to review a couple of equations. This first one is going to be the equation for power. And what it says is power is equal to work divided by time. The units that we use are the SI units for power. The SI unit for power is the watt. So if I was to say, what is the SI unit of power? You would say, yes, it is. Watt is the SI unit of power. Now, W stands for work, and T stands for time. And work is something that we'll need to talk a little bit about. And I have a couple different ways of thinking about work. And important note that the SI unit for work is the joule. Now this gets a little tiny bit confusing because when we're talking about work, the unit is the joule, but we have a W for work. And then when we talk about power, we have a unit for watt, and so we have that W. So pay attention to the W's in the equation format. It is a W, but when we get to the unit is the joule. Now we can think of work in two different ways. One, work is the change in energy. Again, the SI unit is the joule. And then more importantly, we can think of work as also equaling a force times a distance. So again, work here, the SI unit would be the joule, and the force would be in newtons. We should be familiar with forces. And then this distance here would of course be in meters, but it's important this distance needs to be parallel. And the way you might think about that is if you're carrying a box at chest level, keeping it close to your chest and walking across a horizontal floor, you are in fact traveling a distance, but the distance you're traveling is not parallel to the force because the force of that box from gravity would be downwards or vertical, and if your distance is horizontal, your distance would actually be zero. So to get a distance that would be parallel to that force, you would need to be lifting the box up vertically. Thank you. I hope that helps. I'm going to have another video posted very soon regarding some more details on how to think about those distances and using this equation specifically. Thank you. Have a great day.